Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to use a Roblox support ticket. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or instead of that, you can also open the Roblox application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in roblox.com/support. Press enter. Now you'll directly be led to the support interface of Roblox. If you're not logged into your account, you'll be prompted to log into your account. After that, you'll be led to the contact us interface. From here, you'll be able to use the Roblox support ticket. All you have to do is fill in these details that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all, you'll have to enter your username. This is optional. You can skip it if you want. After doing that, what you have to do is enter your first name. This is also optional. Now once you do that, click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your Roblox account. After doing that, what you have to do is confirm the email address. Now you'll have to provide the issue details. You'll be able to find the question over here. What device are you having the problem on? Simply click on this field. Now select the device type. You'll be able to find various options, so simply click on the option of your choice. Likewise, you'll also have to select the type of help category. Simply click on the field help category type. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can also select the help subcategory type. Simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is select the subcategory. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after doing that, you'll have to describe your issue. Simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is describe your issue. Include any relevant information like where the issue is occurring or the error message. Also, you can be as specific as possible. Right now, I'm just going to enter it. Now scroll down. After doing that, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your request has been received. Simply click on the OK option. Now if you go to the Gmail, simply go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. You can see over here Gmail will be opened. Roblox support has sent me the email. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the information regarding the support ticket over here. So like this, you'll be able to use the Roblox support ticket. So that is how you use the Roblox support ticket. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.